The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. By William James. This quote by William James connects deeply to volatility. In times of volatility, people often experience confusion, fear, and stress because life becomes uncertain and hard to control. James' message reminds us that even though we cannot always control what happens around us, we have the power to control our thoughts. And this power can help us manage stress during volatile situations. Volatility can occur in many aspects of life. Emotional ups and downs, sudden changes in plans, or unexpected problems. These moments test a person's strength and patience. However, William James emphasizes that our mindset is our greatest defense. When life feels unstable, we can choose to think positively instead of negatively, to stay calm instead of panicking, and to act wisely instead of reacting impulsively. This ability to guide our thoughts allows us to stay balanced. The connection between the quote and volatility lies in mental control and emotional resilience. Volatility naturally brings stress, but how much it affects us depends on the thoughts we allow to grow in our minds. If we choose thoughts of fear, anger, or doubt, we add more stress to the situation. But if we choose thoughts of hope, patience, and understanding, we gain strength and clarify to overcome difficulties. In other words, our response determines whether volatility breaks us or strengthens us. This quote teaches that peace is not about the absence of problems, but about our abilities to stay calm and think clearly despite them. Life will always have moments of instability. That is something we cannot avoid. What we can do, however, is control our inner world by choosing our thoughts carefully. We protect our mental health and emotional balance. This inner stability becomes our weapon that allows us to face the volatility of life with confidence and grace. William James quote highlights that while we cannot stop volatility from happening, we can choose how we respond to it. Our thoughts have power. They can either increase our stress or help us stay strong through change. When we learn to choose calm, hopeful, and wise thoughts, we turn volatility into an opportunity for personal growth and resilience. Volatility often tests our patience, faith, and self-control. But as William James suggests, real strength comes from within. Choosing our thought wisely help us adapt, stay calm, and make better decisions despite the problem around us. It transforms volatility from something destructive into something that builds our resilience and character.